Hi and welcome to the studio. Lisa here. I just wanted to do a quick video. I'm just finished putting the last touches on this piece that I started a long time ago before we moved to the new house, and I'll move to Ohio. And so she's been sitting for a long time. I'd almost forgotten that she was on the go. So I'm just putting literally the last finishing touches on her. I've worked a little bit on her today. I can see I need to put a little bit more of a highlight up here maybe, and a few more dress lines in, and then this lady should be good for the world. Just want to be careful not to overdo it at this point. It's where the stage in the painting where everything can go wrong really quickly. So less is more at this point, definitely. I have found that I have spoiled many a painting's spontaneity at this point when it comes down to those final touches. So I'm going to go really easy, and I can always put more in. I don't want to lose all this lovely movement in the dress at the moment. Her hair is just about as I want it. That's usually a back and forth thing for quite a few hours sometimes on getting the right balance between a piecey look and nice and smudged and pushed back so that it doesn't dominate the whole painting and look too hard or too heavy. So I am just going to attempt to make this just a wee bit brighter up here. And then she should be ready to sign. Tidy up my watery mess down here, and she will be ready to ship. So let's just go ahead and do that. Use a nice clean brush. And just pull it out a little bit. Back again with the paper towel. Not too bright. I think she's good. We'll leave it there.